Hi friends, and welcome once again to my Keycloak tutorials. The other time I started a series by showing how one can connect to Keycloak using Node application, as you can see over here. But today I'm going to be talking about how to use a different Node library to connect, and that is the Keycloak recommended way of doing it. Currently in our app, we have Passport OpenID Connect, and that's the library we are using to connect. But we are going to get rid of it soon. So I'll go ahead and then remove all the passport things that we have. So I'll remove passport, I'll remove this passport as well, and remove this guy as well. I'll remove passport initialization as well, and remove this guy as well, this guy as well. And I'm going to remove them as well from my package.json. So I'll remove occurrences of Passport Connect, Passport as well. And let's remove Passport here, Passport Connect. Okay, so this should be pretty much it. And we click on Getting Started. We look for Node.js adapter, and we go here, and we need to install this guy. So we can add this, and of course we can add the types. So instead of types, and then we add this. So I'm going to start by creating a memory store. So we create a memory store here. Okay, and then we pass that memory store to Express. So we pass the memory store to the session access store, like this. And then, yeah, so that's pretty much it. And remember that in place of a memory store, you can use any store. You can decide to go for Redis, right? But for the sake of tutorial, I'm just going to use memory store. And then the next thing to do is, let's go down. Right, we pass the memory store to our store, and then we have to initialize our Keycloak. Right, so let's move down and initialize our Keycloak. We need to import Keycloak from Keycloak Connect. So I'll import Keycloak from Keycloak Connect. Keycloak Connect like this. Right. And then I have this, and I can pass my config, kc config. Right, so let's go ahead and create a configuration over here. And after we are done, we need to use the middleware. So we can say keycloak.middleware like this. And this should be pretty much it. So now, in order to know which configuration to pass through to the Keycloak instance, we can control click it, and then we can copy all these stuff. So let's copy, and then we paste here. I'm gonna go ahead and say 8080 for this one. And then server URL, I'm going to go ahead with http://localhost, and then I'm gonna pass 8080 as well. And then a resource, I'm going to say process.env. And then my resource is going to be my client ID. So I'll just pass my client ID. And SSL required, let's just say external. And then we say false for this. And then the RAM is process.env.ram name. This should be pretty much it. and then we need to put exclamation here. Right, and then we can add our credentials, credentials like this. And then we pass our secret, and our secret becomes our process.env. Let's check the secret. Secret is it's KC client secret. So we go for that, for the exclamation. Right. So now, in order to protect our endpoint, we can just go with this. So let's create an endpoint, say secret, or let's say secure, and then we can protect it by saying keycloak.protect. And then we can specify the role. If there's no role, we can just leave it like this, and then we can put our controller. I'm not going to create a controller because I'll just pass my request and response and then just type them. Yeah, so I can say response to JSON, and let's say Keycloak auth. So I'll pass my Keycloak auth, which is going to be in this response request. Sorry, so request.getAuth, right? And yeah, we need to type this. For now, let's just say any, right? And if we run our server, yarn dev, and have a look at port 3000 secure. Okay, we have an issue. Okay, that makes sense. Let's see what is happening. It says request.user. Okay, in our profile controller, yes. So before then, we're using request.user because we're using a different strategy for this. But I'm going to go ahead and clean up this controller because I'm not using this right now. So let's just say, yeah, I'm not using this. So maybe let me just comment it out for now because I'm not going the passport route. So we leave it this way. And yeah, so once I go on localhost 3000 secure, takes me to Keycloak, and I'm able to log in with my credentials. So I'll log in with yeah, John Snow at gmail.com and provide a password, and I can log in, and I have everything I need here, as you can see. Right. So yeah, pretty much it. We can have a look at our token, right? And then we see the things in our token. We can have a look at yeah, pretty much it. We see our scope, we see our email, our given name and family name and everything. So that's pretty much it.